What's going on, guys? Biggs with Custom Offsets. We get asked quite often what it takes to get a job in the aftermarket truck industry, or how do I get sponsored truck parts, or even how do I get free truck parts. In today's video, we get the opportunity to sit down with Danny from Alpharex, who got his dream job in the aftermarket truck industry selling headlights and taillights for Alpharex USA. Alpharex is a crazy cool company where you can get pretty much any aftermarket lighting applications, whether that be headlights, taillights, or anything in between. And they follow all the safety procedures that you need to toss your headlights in and drive safely down the road. What I'm gonna need you guys to do is stay until the end though, because I am gonna talk about our ambassador program, and that can give you guys an opportunity to get some discounted parts or even some new headlights if you like. I don't know, but stay until the end. Please, just do it for me. Here's our exclusive interview that we got to do with Danny from Alpharex. I hope you guys enjoy. So first question, who are you and what do you do for Alpharex?
So I'm Danny Parker. I work for Alpharex USA Lighting. We do headlights, taillights. I manage social media, mainly the Instagram, and I also travel to a bunch of shows, whether we have a booth there or not, connect with a lot of influencers.
When was the company founded?
So Alpharex was founded in 2018, and we released our first set of headlights in early 2019, and they were 4th gen 09 to 18 Dodge Ram headlights. So I actually ran Alpharex headlights before even working for the company. I have my own social media where I'm into building trucks and customizing them. Always been into that passion, and I ran their headlights for about 6 months before I joined the company, and been with them ever since the end of 2019.
Talk about what it's meant to be able to go to shows, travel across the country.
So I actually went to my first show in 2019. I went to Daytona Truck Meet. It was before I even worked for Alpharex. It was in June. And that's when I realized I fell in love with traveling and going to shows, meeting all these different people. I would have never thought, 2 years later, I'd be in this position of doing that as a job and taking that career path. And now I get to travel to shows, whether it be when we have a booth, whether we don't have a booth, maybe to get content for our social medias. So definitely really cool there. And then getting to meet so many different influencers and different companies is a huge bonus as well. I'm definitely very blessed to even have this job, and traveling the country is something I've always, wanted to do. So it means a lot to me to be able to do something that I enjoy every single day, whether it's traveling, going to shows, talking to some of the biggest names in the industry, meeting so many different people. That's really the best thing about it, building all these relationships. I couldn't ask for anything more.
What is your company's motto, mission, or value statements?
We specialize in designing and manufacturing superior automotive lighting products, and our company goal is to produce lighting products that are unrivaled.
What type of lighting does the company sell and produce?
So right now we're mainly only doing headlights, and we also just started releasing taillights at the end of 2020 last year. Our first headlight that we released was a 2009 to 18 4th gen Ram, and they fit on the 1500, 2500, and 3500.
Which lighting component would you say was your first popular or breakthrough model?
So our Nova series lights are our highest end lights that we sell, and they are made with LED OSRAM chips and our patented ice cube projectors to produce the highest, brightest output that we have for any of our lights. All of our headlights come with a 2-year warranty. They're all permasealed to protect against any condensation on the inside, as well as being DOT and SAE compliant, which means they're road legal. And then our Lux and our Nova series, especially, our LED versions. They have the activation feature that's built into them when you unlock or start the vehicle, as well as the sequential turn signal. So I could talk about our stuff all day long.
Yo, if you guys want wheels now, we have a whole page of in-stock wheels. And I can guarantee that those are gonna be shipped out when they said that they're gonna be shipped out. Go check them out right now. Back to the regular scheduled program.
No, go away. I've got enough YouTubers looking at me.
What makes the company unique or different from other companies?
So one of the things that we do differently than any other company out there is we have 3 lines of headlights. So we have a Pro, a Lux, and a Nova series headlights. So our Pro is a halogen projector. Our Lux looks identical to the Pro with a couple added features like sequential turn signals and our activation feature, but it is made with built-in LED chips. And then our Nova, like I said before, uses our patented Ice Cube LED projectors with OSRAM LED chips, and normally it's a quad beam, and that's our brightest headlight on the market, which makes us different than all the other companies out there. And we pride ourselves on customer service, so if there's ever any issues that you have, reach out to us, let us know, and we want to make sure we get it fixed.
This one's more personal. Any future goals?
I don't really know. I'm just kind of going with the flow. I'm happy with where I am right now, to be honest.
Yeah.
Most people can't say that.
Yeah.
So we definitely want to continue to produce more headlights, more taillights for newer trucks, older trucks of all generations. So there's definitely that, as well as possibly getting into some more accessory style lighting. But headlights and taillights are still our main focus. We just want to have more.
What can we look forward to seeing from Alpharex in the future?
We're always producing new products. Like I said, headlights and taillights, older trucks. There's still so many more out there that we haven't covered, as well as possibly getting into some cars, hopefully. You can check out all of our products on alpharexusa.com. We're also on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Alpharex USA. Follow us there. Check us out at shows. Our next one's gonna be Atlantic City Truck Meet. And I also really want to thank Custom Offsets for having us and filming this video, and we're excited to keep working with them in the future.
A few questions that we get asked all the time are, how do I get sponsored? What are my responsibilities? What are my benefits? How does this all really work? So here at Custom Offsets, we don't give direct sponsorships. Aww. But we do offer our great ambassador program. You may be asking, what is the ambassador program? The awesome part about being in the ambassador program is if you get referred or you refer someone to the program, you get points. Points essentially equal money. The more money that you get from those points, you can put towards your vehicle. The ambassador program is basically on you. The more that you post and the more you get referred, the more money you get back. Typically with sponsorships, you have to run their product or whatever product that you got a sponsorship for a certain amount of time. For example, I have my Archons, which I love my boys over at Archon, but I'm stuck with those wheels for about a year. The cool thing about the ambassador program is you can kind of switch it up whenever you want. If you want a different setup, sell the old setup, buy a new one, or get referred or refer others, and they can do the same thing. That's the cool part about being an ambassador, because you can kind of switch up your ride whenever you want, and you're not locked into those contract deals, so to speak. Our ambassador program has almost 1,500 people. The cool part about being a part of those 1,500 people is it's pretty much a big community. And in that community, you can grow relationships and meet a bunch of crazy people. And really, they're doing the same thing you are, trying to build the dopest truck that you possibly can. What do you guys think of the ambassador program? Do you guys love it? Do you guys hate it? Drop a comment down below what you guys think about it. There's gonna be a link down there as well. If you guys think that you have what it takes to be a part of our ambassador program, go check it out. And if you guys are in the market for headlights or taillights or any automotive lighting, make sure you go check out Alpharex headlights, taillights, whatever you guys need. That's all I have for you guys. Peace.